Very much welcome back. It's so great to see you guys. Corned beef. You'll want this recipe multiple times a week. Be like, oh, corned beef has never tasted so good. Let's make it again. And then the kids, instead of being like, no, they're gonna be like, yeah, make me corned beef. This is our main ingredient. Back in the day, it used to be cheap as like $5.99 a kg for beef. Like, you're done. So I'm gonna show you how to cook it properly. We're gonna take all the trauma out of the corned beef and we're gonna make it one of your favorite meals. This meal is not delicious for the majority of you who have it. What makes corned beef? Do you guys even care about that? You guys don't even care about that. You just wanna see how it tastes good. I was gonna say brine, but that's just caca. Just rinse it. We need to wash it real good. You see how it's a lot less pink, slightly gray? This is exactly what we want. Meat side down in a bowl, cover it with water. And then we're just letting this sit 20 minutes. You don't have to do this. If you want to make this recipe even easier, you honestly don't do this. I've got 1 onion, 1 bulb of garlic, bay leaves, chuck that in. Coriander seeds and peppercorns, they go in as well. All we're going to be doing is toasting them. For anyone that doesn't know the law of corned beef, like anyone that's under the age of 40 will probably be like, yeah, it's not really that great, it's pretty disgusting. I thought to myself, I was like, you know what, surely there's a way how to make it tasty. I found the way. I bought one, I cooked it up, it was the tastiest thing ever. We went back to the store, bought another 2, and then I cooked up another one a couple of days later, and then we went back to the store the same week and we got another 2. For it to be that cheap and that tasty, surely you know it will be such a good recipe. My memories of corned beef, we always used to have this meal on a Sunday. My mother used to be in the kitchen like this. It's like it was a prank. How about you guys tell me in the comments your lore about corned beef, because I would love to know more stories. I would love to hear whether it's good or bad. You know, I'm not the news where it's only bad. Well, I'm having a great day. Let's watch the news. Oh, bad. Oh, shit, I'm bad now. Tell me your good stories. Tell me your traumatic stories. All in the comments below. That's what we want. That's what we want to see. It doesn't matter. It's got a lot of color or a little color. Other than that, there's nothing really much else going on other than all this bad shit that's going through my mind at the moment. So let's take a walk outside. This is the view. And look what is a part of the family. Woo. What is it? What is it? Guys, I can't remember what we're doing. Oh, the beef. Come here, have a look. There's a sink. Whoa, lucky! My heart is in my ass right now. That's not a sign that, oh yes, pig me please. If that fell, that would be the equivalent, I reckon. That 1 billion% would have been the equivalent. You guys literally just witnessed God at work, because I'll tell you what, I would not be able to financially recover if I was to lose this lens. We'll go fat side up. Chuck that in the pot. We're going to make the, what even is it? I want to call it like a solution. We are going to make the broth of what our corned beef is going to cook in. So here is our secret ingredient. Satisfying. Feel free to measure this part if you want. I'm just not going to. Two tablespoons of brown sugar and a squirt of honey. Mix that around, mix that around, mix that in. Add just a little bit more water until 3/4 of the beef is covered. 125, we'll go 120. With this meal, traditionally we have mashed potatoes. However, I don't want that. I think it's a little bit too much work. So I'm going 3 ways vertically, and I'm cutting them quite large. Top and tail, we're gonna go cut them quite large. Something like that. 1:20 to kill. Hey, There's a cat. There's an actual cat. He's fine, I'll let him do his job. He's surveying for any mice. So anyway, living right next to the ocean, we have a massive trouble with pests. Talk to the pest man. He knows everything about mice, and pretty much he leaked all of the secrets. And so I've just done my utmost to make sure they never come into the house. If you're here listening, make sure you like up the video, comment, share, do all that great stuff. I'm gonna put something interesting here. So editor, do your job. Let's go, let's go! Just do your best to pick up as much as you can, because it will be super tender. I'm looking at this and I'm like, surely that's not it. The hell's going on with that? Any meat in here? Nah, no meat. That's the entire yield of our corned beef. Maybe my brain's playing tricks on me, eh? This is what the texture will be if you want to serve straight away. Hopefully you guys saw that because there was zero effort. I'll give a little taste test for you guys right here if you want to explore serving it straight away. My god. Melt in your mouth, tender, yum. A little bit sweet, not super sweet. Super savory, super beefy. I really like cooling this down, chuck it in the fridge, and then I can get really nice thin slices. I don't even want to use a fork because look at that. If you're making corned beef back to back or within the same week, just let that cool down, pack that up, and then just use it for your next corned beef. You'll probably need to add a little bit more aromatic or a little bit more ginger ale or something like that. But bro, look at this. I've got half the bottle left. I don't even drink ginger ale. So this is where it kind of reminds me of a boil up because I'm just chucking everything in the water. Karotti. It's as easy as 1, 2, and 3. We're cooking at 4. You guessed it right, 3 minutes. Something in my memory or my mind is saying people have corned beef for Christmas. Can seriously anyone let me know? Comment down below or send me a message on Instagram if you know if that's an actual thing or if I'm just making up rubbish in my mind. Fully want to preface to say that there's no hate, no shame, whatever you want to have for any of your festive season, holidays, event, that's your business. I am just curious. This is our final corned beef yield. If you really wanted to, it's so tempting to just squeeze it like that. It'll all fall apart, but really thin cuts, almost like sandwich cuts. Here's one. Ready? 3, 2, oh. Once you can put a knife or a fork straight through, you're done. I was tilting just before. I was like, you know, screwing everything, and then I got an email. And I'm like, now what the hell is this? I got paid. I got paid. So let's do a celebratory potato shot, eating shot just before I film the mukbang portion of it for my short video platform. So if you really enjoy sitting down eating with me on YouTube, let me know in the comments. Until then, it's going to be on short video platforms, and it's a bit of a cross promotion to bring everyone to YouTube. So I'm chucking it in at the last segment of this YouTube video, just because the real ones who stuck it to the end, you guys know. Okay? Wow. That's next level good. I'm using Agria potatoes, and it's just absorbed all of that cooking liquid, but the main flavor profile is super beefy. You still have the salty, and it's a hint of sweet. So nothing crazy, nothing overpowering, and that's perfect, just how I like it. End piece has lots of flavor. Melt in your mouth, tender. Yum. Salty, savory, aromatic. Let me know what you want to see next. Let me know if you like corned beef or if it's traumatic for you. Let me know if you're going to try it. And this is exactly how I like to have my carrots. Sweet, tender, carroty, and the skin, it doesn't matter. Cook it with the skin. Your own skin will benefit. I'm gonna leave you all right there. Make sure you like it up, share around, please. Comment down below, anything. And I'll catch you all on the next one.